Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Hepatitis. Hepatitis is a blood-borne virus. Also, it refers to the inflammation of the liver. There are three types of the hepatitis. Hepatitis A, B, and C. Hepatitis B is the most difficult to kill on the surface. Fungi. Fungi are microscopic plant parasites that include molds, mildews, and yeasts. They can produce contagious diseases such as athlete foot, ringworm, and thrush. Human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. HIV is spread from person to person through blood and body fluids. The virus attacks cells in the immunity system and then also is destroy a type of white blood cell in the immunity system as well. Tinea verbi. Tinea verbi is a fungal infection and inflammation of the hair. Tinea verbi is caused by the specific type of fungi that commonly affects the skin. Scabies. Scabies is a contagious skin disease. The most common symptoms of scabies is intense itchy skin condition caused by a tiny burrowing mite under the skin. Parasites. Parasites are the organisms that can live on or inside of humans and animals. They are the most common causes of parasites: contaminated food and water, undercooked food. Thank you for watching this video. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.